Alright, continuing from making my foot for my speaker stand. As you saw before, I sliced the parts and I said that I was going to glue two sections together to make 40 mils maximum height. My restriction at the moment and why it's 40 mil height is due to my actual bits or end mills. This end mill is a ball nose and I've only got a 40 mil depth of cut on it. But anyway, so the stage before, which I haven't recorded, is just to give the end mill, the ball nose, a bit of a head start. I've done a contour, removing quite a lot of the evacuating quite a lot of the wood, the material. Now with Fusion, I know you've got adaptive clearance, I think it's called that. I don't use that because it's too long. I use 3D contours, and as you can see, it goes down. The only issue you have is where the gradient sort of reduces, it doesn't clear away this. That doesn't really bother me, just due to experience with this end mill. I know it can take that out without much of a problem. But anyway, there you go, there's that section. Starting to look a bit like the Egyptian pyramids. And then we'll see what happens next.